Welcome. Now we are see the topic factors that stabilize carbanions. Which factor increase the stability of carbanions? We have three factors. One is inductive effect, second one resonance effect, third one S character. The first one inductive effect. We consider some example. Methyl anion, one hydrogen replaced by R. R means alkyl group. Say a primary carbanion. Two hydrogen replaced by two alkyl group. Say a secondary carbanion. Say a tertiary carbanion. So the number of alkyl group increases. The alkyl group means electron releasing group. The carbon anion with a near the group is electron donating group. So example of alkyl group. So this alkyl group donate the electron to this carbanion. It tends to release the electron towards the carbon. So this alkyl release the electron to this carbanion. This two alkyl release the electron to this carbanion. Here three alkyl group donate the electron towards this carbanion. So it increases the intensity of the negative charge on the carbon. So alkyl group donate the electron to carbanions. Number of alkyl group increases, number of charges increases to carbanions. So it is a destabilize the carbanions. Three alkyl group donate the electron to this carbanion. The carbanion charge increases, negative charge increases, then secondary, then primary, then methyl carbanions. So number of charges increases the carbanion, it destabilizes the carbanion. So tertiary carbanion has less stable than secondary, than primary, than methyl. So methyl carbanion is more stable than primary, then secondary, then tertiary. More number of alkyl group on the carbon atom carrying the negative charge, more would be the intensity of the negative charge on the carbon atom, and hence less stable is the carbanion. Number of alkyl group, electron donating group increases. Electron donating group increases, the stability decreases. Stability decreases. Number of electron donating group increases with attached with carbanions, that stability decreases. Second one, resonance effect. Consider the example. Allyl group CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 minus allyl carbanion. Say benzyl carbanion. So the carbanion have near the pi bond electrons. This carbanion, the negative charge shifted to this negative charge this electron shifted to this carbon atom. This bond electron shifted to this carbon atom. So we write like this: CH2, CH, CH2. Already we have a single bond. This single electron shifted to this carbon atom. This double bond shifted to this carbon atom. So the negative charge will present this carbon. So this carbon ion has a negative charge shifted to this carbon. So it's a resonance of allyl group. Next one, the benzyl is the example for resonance effect. This negative charge shifted to this. Then this bond shifted to this position. CH2. This charge shifted to here. So it changed to positive. This electron shifted to this position. Next, this charge shifted here. This charge shifted this position. This charge shifted here. This bond shifted to here. This charge shifted here. This bond shift to the old position. So it is the resonance structure of benzyl groups. So number of resonance structure increases, increase the stability of carbon ions. Number of phenyl group increases, the stability also increases. Example, triphenyl carbon ions, diphenyl carbon ions, benzyl carbon ions. Here only one benzene group is available. Here 2 benzene group, here 3 benzene group. So the number of resonance structure increases in tertiary phenyl group, then secondary, then primary. So it have more stable than secondary than primary. So number of phenyl group increases, the stability of carbon ion increases. So the resonance increases, it have more resonance structure, the stability of carbon ion increases. The presence of carbon ion with electron withdrawing group, carbon ion with electron donating group. Electron, the example of electron withdrawing group like NO2, cyanide, ester, and Cl, halide. Electron donating group example is alkyl, oxy group, and hydroxy group. It donates the electron towards carbon ions. They intensify the negative charge and increases the stability of decreases the stability of decreases the stability of carbon ions. The carbon ion with electron withdrawing group like NO2, Cn, COR and halide group, it withdraw the electron from this carbon ion. So the intensity of negative charge decreases, the stability of carbon ion increases. So carbon ion with the electron withdrawing group, the stability of carbon ion increases. The carbanion with electron donating group, the electron donating group donate the electron towards carbanion. So the negative charge of carbanion increases, the stability decreases. The third one, the S character. Example, so it has the hybridization as sp3 hybridization. The double bond mean sp2 hybridization is a sp hybridization. The hybridization sp, it has equal percentage of S and P character. So the 50% of S character in sp hybridization, here 33% of S character, here 25% of S character. The stability increases with increase in the S character. S character increases, stability increases. Stability increases with increase in the S character of the carbon carrying negative charge. So the carbanion have more stable mean the primary carbanion have more stable than secondary than tertiary. Applying two factor, the electron withdrawing group combined with the carbanion, electron withdrawing group accept electron from this carbanion. So here the intensity of negative charge decreases, the stability increases. The carbanion have electron donating groups. Electron donating group donate the electron to this carbanion. This carbanion charge of carbanion intensity increases, so the stability decreases. So number of alkyl group increases. Alkyl group mean electron donating group. So electron donating group increases the charge of carbanion. It destabilizes the carbanions. So compare this four example. The primary more stable than secondary carbanion than tertiary. Second one, resonance structure increases, stability of carbanion increases. Third, the S character of the hybridization from S character increases, the stability increases. Thank you.